So let's talk about how we can find a critical value, z alpha over 2, that corresponds to a particular confidence level. I'm going to do this using technology. So if I go up here to question help, I'm going to choose the Statcrunch option and open the program Statcrunch right here from my homework question. So we can see more of the problem. I'm going to try to move this over. There we go. So I'm looking for the critical value called z alpha over 2 that corresponds to a confidence level of 91%. So the z values are synonymous with the normal distribution, the standard normal distribution in particular. The standard normal distribution is a normal distribution, so that means it has that nice symmetric bell-shaped curve, and the z-scores indicate that it is a standard normal distribution. That means it has a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. In Statcrunch, I want to open up the normal distribution calculator. I do that by going to Stat, Calculators, and Normal. So when this opens, I get this nice little picture. Now remember, a confidence interval is going to give me a range of values. It's going to go from a lower number to a higher number. So what I want to do here is click the option for between. Now I can see I'm in the right view so that I have a lower number and a higher number that's separating off this interval here in the middle. So the confidence level, the 91% in this case, is telling us what the area is between the lower value and the higher value. So in this case, it was 91%. The place where I put the area is here, in this box. So right now it's set to 68%. So we're going to change that to 91% to correspond with our confidence level. So I'm going to type in 0.91. We always enter it as a decimal in Statcrunch. And I click compute. So now what I'm given is my standard normal distribution picture. And you can see I have a lower end and a higher end. And this area in the middle is 91% of the total area under the whole curve. The values here and here that are separating the bottom of my shaded area from the top of my shaded area have populated here and here. So this means that the critical values are negative 1.6954 and positive 1.6954. These are my critical values, the z alpha over 2. In the question, when they ask you for z alpha over 2, they're only asking you for the positive value. Notice that because this is a symmetric curve, and since the mean is 0, this lower value and this higher value are actually the same number, except that one is positive, meaning it's on the right-hand side, and one is negative, meaning it's on the left-hand side. So to answer this question, we only need the positive value. 1.6954 is the value. So if we come back to our question, we're going to go 1.695. Oops, but this asks us to round to 2 decimal places. So we're going to have to round up here because this 5 in the third place after the decimal point indicates we need to round up. So this will actually round the 9 up to a 0 and the 6 by default up to a 7. So 1.70 is my critical value.